In this question, if I just draw a simple cone, it looks something like this. So then this will be my slant height, or even this will be my slant height. And they have said a volume of a cone is 96 pi. And volume of a cone is, the formula is 1 over 3 times pi r square h. So this is the formula for the volume of a cone. So in this case, the radius is given and the height we need to find out. So in that case, the volume is given as 96 pi, which is equals to 1 over 3 times pi times, and the radius is given as 6 square, which is times h. So from here, pi and pi can get cancelled out. So 3 goes to the other side, 36 comes downside. So it would be 96 times 3 divided by 36 is equals to h. And if you simplify this, 3 ones are 312 and 12 8s are 96. So that is the reason height of this cone is 8. So now, whenever I have a cone, it forms a kind of a right angle triangle in the middle. So which means if I join a straight line from the top to my center, and this is your radius of the base, so in that case, it forms a right angle triangle. So this would be right angle triangle. The height of your cone is 8, and the radius of this cone is given as 6 in this case. And we need to find the slant height. Let me take this as x. So by Pythagoras theorem, I can say this: x square is equals to 8 square plus 6 square, which is nothing but, if you solve this, x is equals to square root of 8 square is nothing but 64, plus 6 square is 36, so which is nothing but root of 100, which is nothing but 10 centimeter is the length of slant height. So that is the reason it should be option C.